Hi, my name is Renee, and I'm so happy you're here for Long Division Bootcamp. So, we are going to take our knowledge of all of our basic foundations that we've learned so far, and we're going to build on that a little bit more with our basic division skills to learn long division skills. And it's actually pretty fun when we bring the child's interest into play, as well as some fun stories that kind of go along with it. It helps us remember the step-by-step process. So don't worry, it will make things simpler for your child as well as for you when long division comes around. So let's talk about for just a moment the things that your child's going to end up learning. So we're going to understand the concept of division. If they don't already feel like they have that yet, no worries. We're going to learn the place value with long division. We're going to then start with one digit dividers, moving on to 2 and 3 digits if we get that far, but there's no pressure. If they feel confident with 2 digits, then we're usually pretty good with them handing them a 3 digit divisor question, and they usually are doing just fine. We're also going to use and bring in real life applications. So bring their interest into play and show them how that pertains to long division. If you have any questions and want to know more about my amazing long division bootcamp, let me know.